This video is brought to you by Doba. To learn more about Doba, click the first link in the description. Let's be real for a moment. Managing a dropshipping store across multiple platforms can feel like trying to juggle while riding a unicycle. Between keeping products updated, tracking orders, and syncing inventory, it gets messy fast. That's where Doba steps in like a reliable assistant you didn't know you needed. In this guide, we'll walk you through how Doba integrations work, why they matter, and how they can simplify your e-commerce life, all without touching a single line of code. Number 1. What Doba's marketplace integrations actually do. Doba is a product sourcing platform that lets you browse thousands of wholesale items and instantly connect them to your online store. Think of it like a bridge between suppliers and your checkout option. When we talk about integrations, we're talking about Doba's ability to directly link to the platforms where you sell. Once connected, it can push product listings, update stock in real time, and even route customer orders to suppliers automatically. No more spreadsheets. No more manual uploads. Real-world snapshot. Imagine selling gadgets on Amazon while managing your own Shopify store. Doba ensures that your product catalog, pricing, and orders stay in sync across both platforms without needing to hire a tech team. Number 2. Which platforms does Doba support? The fun part. Doba plays well with just about everyone. Whether you're a Shopify devotee or an Amazon merchant, chances are your platform is on the list. Supported integrations include the following: Shopify, Wix, TikTok Shop, Temu, Walmart Marketplace, Square, Amazon, Newegg, BigCommerce, Shift for Shop, eBay, and finally Doba Retailer API, which is for custom store setups. These integrations give you flexibility to sell wherever your audience shops without having to log into 10 different dashboards. A pro tip: if you're unsure which platform to prioritize, start where your audience already hangs out. Doba gives you the infrastructure to test multiple platforms, multiple storefronts without doubling your workload. Number 3. Real benefits beyond convenience. Let's get into the good stuff. Doba integrations help you push products directly to your store with one click. You receive real-time inventory updates, no more overselling out-of-stock items, and you automatically send customer orders to the appropriate supplier for fulfillment. This means less time babysitting spreadsheets and more time building ads, refining your store, and actually taking a lunch break. Think of it like hiring a virtual assistant that never sleeps and never messes up an order. A quick bonus tip: product updates like pricing and availability aren't just helpful, they can affect your listing quality score on platforms like Amazon and Walmart. Keeping your data fresh can improve your search visibility. Number 4. Speedy setup. Here's the beauty of Doba. You don't need to be a tech wizard. Most integrations like Shopify, WooCommerce, or TikTok Shop are just a few clicks away. Log into your Doba account, choose your platform, authenticate the connection, and you're off to the races. Here's a quick no-code walkthrough. Number 1, go to your Doba dashboard. Number 2, click on My Integrations. Number 3, choose your selling platform. Number 4, click Connect and log into Authenticate. You're done. Number 5, you can go from 0 to synced in under 10 minutes in most cases. Seriously. Quick example. Let's say you find a trending phone case on Doba. You click Add to Store, select your connected Shopify store, and boom, it's live. Later that day, the supplier drops the price or runs low on stock. Doba updates that info automatically. In your Shopify product listing, you don't have to touch a single thing. What happens when a customer orders that case? Doba routes the order to the supplier and fulfillment begins. It's a seamless loop. Here's a quick insider tip: you can even customize which store the product gets published to. Got a TikTok shop and a WooCommerce store? Choose one or choose both. Doba lets you assign product visibility channel by channel. Number 6. Perfect for multi-channel selling. If you're selling on TikTok Shop and Amazon, or maybe eBay and WooCommerce, Doba's integrations become even more valuable. You can manage all your storefronts from one Doba account. This centralized approach helps keep branding, pricing, and product availability consistent across all your sales channels. It also reduces the brain-frying complexity that comes with managing 5 different backends. Case in point, Maria, a Shopify and TikTok Shop seller, went from manually editing product listings twice a day to having everything sync in the background. Her sales went up and her stress went down. Number 7, custom options with Doba's Retailer API. For the advanced crowd or those working with developers, Doba offers a Retailer API. This is perfect if you're running a headless e-commerce setup or have a custom build site. You can use the API to build your own product, import workflows, you can use it to set up custom fulfillment logic, or you can integrate Doba directly into your internal systems. Here's a quick dev tip. The API supports JSON responses and the documentation is developer friendly. It's like Lego blocks for serious businesses that want full control. And for the not so technical among us, don't worry, I've got you covered as well. Here's a quick example to explain what APIs are from a basic standpoint and how they apply in this example. Imagine you're at a restaurant sitting at a table hungry and you want pizza, but you can't go into the kitchen yourself. You need someone to take your order to the chef. That's where the waiter comes in. You are the app or website like a weather app or a YouTube video player. The kitchen is the server or system that holds the real information or tools like weather data or video files. And the waiter, that's the API. In summary, an API or application programming interface is like a waiter for apps. It takes a request like, hey, I want to see the weather in London, and brings it to the kitchen, the weather database. It then brings exactly what you asked for. It's 18 degrees and it's cloudy. You don't need to know how the kitchen works. You ask the API and it delivers the info back to you. In a nutshell, that's what API means. You're welcome. Number 8, eliminate manual errors and wasted time. The number one killer of e-commerce productivity, you ask? Manual tasks. By syncing products, stock, and orders in real time, Doba helps you to avoid pricing mistakes, prevent listing outdated or unavailable items, and eliminate copy-paste fatigue. If you've ever lost an order due to mismatched inventory count or spent your Sunday updating spreadsheets, automation is your new best friend. Here's a quick best practice. Turn on auto sync for high volume SKUs or stock keeping units, and use manual overrides only for limited edition or timed promos. Number 9, why this is the first step to scaling. If you want to go from hobbyist to serious seller, integrating your store is essential. It gives you back time, reduces risk, and sets you up to handle higher order volume without hiring a team. Think of it as the digital equivalent to upgrading from a folding table to a real office desk. Quick scaling insight. According to a 2023 Orbello study, sellers who use platform integrations are 2.3 times more likely to hit $100,000 in annual revenue than those who operate manually. That's not just growth, it's momentum. Final thought, Doba isn't just a product sourcing tool. It's a full-blown logistics partner that helps you automate, integrate, and scale. So whether you're running a TikTok shop hustle or building a multi-channel empire, Doba makes the behind-the-scenes work a lot less messy. And the best part, it just works. And if you're ready to plug in and level up, start syncing with Doba today and see what's possible when the back end runs itself.